Well, we put a hole in the wall, which goes into a closet, and we installed a couple of shut-off valves so we can have water on in the rest of the house while we're still working, doing all this tile work and so forth, so we don't have to keep running back and forth, turning the water on and off. And also during construction, sometimes something gets hit because of the open pipes, and we don't want a break and a flood to occur. So when we're all done, we just come on the other side. We've got an access panel. We open it up, we can turn the water on. And then, of course, they can always use that in the future. Anytime you have any kind of problems, they can turn the water off here without having to turn it off in the entire house. This is a new 3-penetration system. It's not quite finished. We have one more line to run up for the shower head. This guy here is for a handheld shower. And this is a dual function diverter. The lower section turns the water on and turns it hot and cold. And the upper section, it has a little switch that will end up going on. After the tile work. And that switches from the overhead shower to the handheld shower. Nifty little thing.
Nifty.
Nifty. So this particular plastic will come off after, before we do the tile work. This is on here, so it gives us the right distance from the studs for the depth of where this sits, which basically is 1.5 inches off the stud. So, we'll continue next week.
So we put in this other cabinet, and we put these spacers in there for the time being because one of the cabinets came broken, so we got to get the replacement. Still got to do the backsplash, and yeah, so that's just a little bit of brief update on the bathroom job. You see Jim, he cut himself. You know, hazards of the job.
Is my face cut?
Yeah, a little bit.
I thought it was. I asked him if I cut it.
Yeah, so. But the man, 79 years old, he's still getting it. Learn from Jim. Call him the master builder. You already know, this is what we do. You know, so